We're gonna have some fun in the new year with this brand new style by Wille. This one is called Rainbow in the color Flame Lighted. The style was sent to me by Wille in cooperation with WIGSTUDIO1. You can find it right here. If you go below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see the colors, the pricing, and more details. If you have questions for us, please reach out to support@WIGSTUDIO1.com. This is another style in that Peruki collection, which is more of a fashion-forward collection, just more cutting edge. Just puts me like circa 1980 something with Joan Jett, with the beautiful shag layers, that rock and roll appeal. We're talking a 4 to 4.5 inch bang. Now that's no ordinary bang. Again, this is an extreme shag. So you're gonna see that it is highly textured, taken down, very light density, and that gives you that wispy shag look. Right around 12 to 13 inches overall. It hangs like a shag with all these layers, kind of has a little bit of forward movement. Again, all that texture around the face, swoops inward. It weighs just over 3 ounces. It's super lightweight on the head. What you're going to want to know is that there are some beautiful colors, some everyday mainstream colors, but also there's a few fashion shades. Now this Flame Lighted is among them. And what you're going to see here is this beautiful, deep, rich auburn with some light auburn touches on the tips of these bangs. So this to me is a fashion color. I would definitely consider this on a night out or a concert, but it could be, if it is your thing, it could be for every day, absolutely. But do check out the other colors. Now this is made from regular synthetic fiber. This is not heat friendly. So you can still get, even if you're not taking heat to it, you can put your fingers in there and fashion your own look just by bringing out this beautiful layering. The density is very, very light, wispy, fine fiber. You're gonna find some permatease on Rainbow, right around the middle here, most heavily, and at the back towards the nape. There's a little bit of fluffy, pillowy type permatease, but again, that's gonna hold the shape, cover up the wefting, allow you to get in there and pinch up the type and level of volume that you want. So rock and roll, right? So I'm going to show you an inside look at the cap. This is an open wefted cap. It's very well designed and it's supposed to fit, according to the manufacturer's details, a petite average circumference. I did have to cinch this one in to accommodate my petite average circumference. So I feel like this would fit anywhere from say 21 inches to maybe 22 inches. I think that would be the sweet spot for this sizing on this cap. So the wefts, again, you'll see them, they're very stretchy and cool for everyday wear. You don't really need a lot of monofilament when you have all these layers that are obscuring hairlines. Okay, I'm gonna do a spin for you so you can see this from all angles. We'll take you outside for a look at this beautiful Flame Lighted, then we'll be back with some styling. Rainbow is a super fun style. It's light density, flutters in a breeze. It has enough permatease to get your fingers in there and just create all the fun looks that you expect from a style like this. So let's get down to some styling. Just some simple maneuvers to get you familiar with the texture, the density, and inspire you to make it your own. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon. Right back here on TAZS Wig Closet.